Hey, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how you can download YouTube videos for free. All right, so let's dive in. There is all this kind of videos, so whatever you want to download, you can just go ahead. Suppose that if I want to download this music, and it's really trending, so what you can do, hit this one, the three dot is here, and then you can hit the download. So once you hit this download, what is going to do, so it's going to ask you for premium, but if you want high quality, definitely you have to take the premium. If not, just go to the standard and try for free. So once you hit the try for free, it's going to, it's still 1 month free in the trial. You can free trial 1 month. You can download as many as you can videos and just keep it. So this is how you're going to download the videos, for free for 1 month, and after that, if you like to pay, just pay it. If not, just cancel it. So this is my 2 cents for you guys how to download the videos, and I'll see you next one. If you like this videos, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos.